Right, everyone, so finally we have completed the bird cage that I've been designing for a week. It's almost taken me a week to design all this, but it fits in the place perfectly. As you can see, it's a triangle. We couldn't find anything off the shelf to fit it in, so finally I decided to make one myself. So I got all these, I got a plier from IKEA. There were a couple of wooden panels that I got from IKEA and had to cut them. As you can see, this is what the structure, the skeleton of the cage is sitting on. And then I've got all these wooden sticks. They are 6 mm in diameter and 300 mm or 30 centimeters in height. I had to drill through the holes to sit them in, as you can see, and it took around 250 sticks to fit them in. On the top and at the bottom, I had these thin chipboard that I got from B&Q, and so did I got this wooden this much thick wooden panels from B&Q as well, and I used the machines to cut them, but finally I managed to get them in perfectly. I also set some lights there. As you can see, these are the LED light strips. It will also give them some heat, which they won't mind. There you go. And it fits in perfectly, as you can see. But yeah, hard work paid off, looking beautiful.